Hi, my name is Raj Sambat, and I've always been a spiritual person in some way or the other. I meditate every day. I watch a lot of spiritual videos about cleansing and a lot of things in general. And I think that has taken me to a point where I can say that I'm spiritually inclined towards life rather than the practical side of it. I always seek peace in whatever I do and wherever I go. And you guys know that it's been missing from quite some time now in my life. And that's the reason why I decided to go on a spiritual journey with a bunch of my friends, which turned out to be really wonderful. So this is my story where I met one of the most kind-hearted people that I've ever come across. And guess what? I also found peace in the unknown. And if you'll ask me what place did I go to, I think it was one of the most beautiful and the largest place that I've ever been to. Guys, they're giving us plants. This is so sweet, yeah. This is the sweetest thing ever. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so actually मैं mask निकाल सकता हूँ because there's no one right now. Except my friend who's watching behind. But yeah, so we finally reached the place. So हमने हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट लैंड किया और उसके बाद 40-45 minutes का रास्ता था. And that took us straight away to this place. The best part was when we came inside, they like welcomed us with like amazing small little plants, which was a very cute gesture. These are the plants that they gave us. I love plants. I have a lot of plants at घर पे. Say hi to Pranav.
What's up? Because this book is where it's the heartfulness way. That's what we're gonna learn.
Do you read books?
Yes,
You are a book person. Guys, I'm not a book person, but now that we have a book, मैं पक्का read करने वाला हूँ and let's see how that works, right? We haven't had our dinner yet. The airport पे हमने थोड़ा सा खाया था, half full, half not. So we're gonna go and have dinner. पहले fresh होना है and then we'll have dinner. Like what's the plan? Yeah. So we'll freshen up and see you at the dinner, man.
Karnat.
Look who's here. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So it's actually the next day. हम बजे हैं अभी 8:30. We had to wake up at 8 o'clock, but everyone slept really late last night. So we had like a very peaceful jamming session yesterday. So the place where we are right now, Kanha Ashram, it is like a very, very big place basically. It is India's biggest ashram. Okay guys, so हम कल रात को बहुत ज़्यादा late आए थे. I think 8:30-9 से भी ऊपर. I think 9:30 को हम पहुँचे यहाँ पे. उसके बाद हमने dinner किया and we were like very tired, but we still managed to do like a very good jamming session. तो plan ये है कि we're going for meditation right now and everyone, सारे लोग, I think everyone is left and I'm the only person who's not there. So I'm quickly gonna go there and meditate for a while. Guys, हमारा breakfast हो गया है. We're going to meditate now. 10 बजे का session है. Almost it's 10. So we're going there and meditating for a while and let's see how that goes. We entered the Kanha Shantivanam and it was like a magical city. It was as if we had entered a different part of the world altogether because इतना beautiful चीज़ है, इतने beautiful plants, nurseries, the infrastructure, the construction that we had seen. Guys, also the best part was we did not eat non-vegetarian food for almost 3 days. And I just forgot that I'm a non-vegetarian because the vegetarian food was so good and so tasty that मेरे को याद ही नहीं आई honestly non-vegetarian food की. So that was another thing. Okay guys, so it's time for a tour. हम यहाँ पे कल आने के बाद we haven't taken like a tour of the whole campus. यहाँ पे ये ashram is very, very huge, like literally very huge. We had like a good 1 hour, 30-40 minutes का meditation का session and we are very calm, honestly, like very peaceful right now. अगर आप वहाँ पे वो carts देख रहे हो, वो वाले golf carts, that's what we're going to use and we're going to get a whole campus tour in that. I've started feeling really fresh and peaceful with all my friends here. Also the friends are amazing, very like everyone is amazing.
Every Sunday usually people will go satsang, so I also part of the, so I attend the satsang. That ashram is around 3 acres in Tripur, very good coconut grow and other things. While coming back I was feel empty, all the people going back, nobody is not taking care of the ashram. I felt so I just instead of doing somewhere work, why cannot I can join like a gardener.
This is actually covered what this whole place is doing and what you guys can do as well to take this message out.
I used to say is you doing one plant. I'll tell this is you're going to get married. That much commitment.
It's very true. Yeah.
Just you planted, your work is over, is not?
No.
No.
So most of the plantation work done. No, so plantation work done. It's started your commitment. Countdown started. Just to plant करके एक photo डाल दिया, मेरा काम खत्म हो गया, उससे नहीं.
There's actually another important thing that I've learned from this trip, which is तुम day to day life में कुछ चीजें नहीं कर पाते, जैसे like planting trees every day. Sit at a place and not do anything for a while and just think about where your life is going in general. Yeah. Where do you want to take your life in general? So guys, we're planting the tree. This is how it looks. Harshala is doing the honors.
Someone has to introduce her. Harshala, okay, I'll speak.
Yeah.
Today, what date is today?
22nd.
22nd.
Yeah.
Second, yeah.
Yeah. This is 22nd of September 2021. We are at Kana Shantivanam, the world headquarters of Heartfulness Institute. And this is
Harshala Patil.
So I'm really glad that this trip enabled that for me. I literally planted trees. I met amazing people who really understood me. I spoke to people who really wants to listen to me. I literally did not think 10 random people will go on a spiritual journey or a spiritual trip and connect so well. And I'm so glad that all of us are really good friends now. And I hope that stays forever. There's one thing for sure, that I'm going to visit this place again for sure, no matter what. You want to see something to the vlog?
We had 400 trees.
Hi guys. Wow. Amazing.
You guys are very rude.
No.
Like super rude.
Why?
Schooling साथ में किया था?
Yeah.
अरे vlog करना अच्छा कर रही है तेरे phone में.
And what?
Record तो कर ही नहीं रही है. Oh wow, they're big cloud.
Oh shit. So guys, the stage is all set. Daji is gonna come here anytime. We also met Daji, who's the president, who actually answered a lot of our questions. I being a spiritual person myself, मेरे पास बहुत सारे सवाल थे जो मैं दाजी को पूछना चाहता था. And I did, and he actually answered all of them, which was really good. I think I not only made good friends, but also experienced things that I had never seen before in my life, and that's like a major takeaway for me. This is definitely what I'm going to take home and cherish this for the rest of my life, and I feel that I'm coming back here for sure. Okay guys, so we've reached the center, and behind me is the world's largest meditation center. Looks crazy, looks really, looks very good. It's very peaceful though.
विषयान्वशवत्यज क्षमा जवदया तोषः सत्यं पीयूषवद्भज अश्राग्रशिष्टज्ञजनका.
Thank you, Daji.
Thank you, Christina.
Is it on? Are we doing it? Namaste.
Cool. So, hi everyone. We've been having some influencers and all cool peeps over here at Kanha the past 3 days.
The Rajas audience know me. They know me.
Yeah. Everyone knows you. Yeah.
But still, I'll introduce myself. So I'm Harshala.
So we are in Kana Shanti Vanam. And this place is wow.
We were here for the past 3 days with a group of 9 amazingly wonderful and talented people.
So Raj just said that I have to say a few words, and I think I'm done. Like, I just said a few words.
That's it?
That's it.
Shout out to Sarvanana and Ramakant uncle. I love you all. And also Ananya, I think she's pretty cool. She is a climate scientist.
So first of all, a huge thank you to Ishan and Chirag for getting us over here to the trip.
And yes, cat is so wow.
Cat is wow.
Arey, the camera is
Cat-
zoom
cat-
in my face.
I'll do.
I spoke to Pranav, I spoke to Raj. I was thinking, these people seem different on their Instagram, on the social media. Deep down, they are really humble and they are really sweet people.
So this trip was a very wholesome trip, and we can't wait to be back.
be honest, like I crack a joke with my friends here that I'd influence the influencers, but in fact I was kind of influenced by the influencers.
And I'm getting prompted from behind. So it's been amazing to have them here, and we hope to host again very soon with their families. Yeah.
Cut. Thank you. To really sum this up, I did find what I was looking for. I found my peace in the unknown, and that's what I was looking for. My only message to everyone who's watching right now is never forget your experiences, and because if you do, you won't be able to learn from what you experienced. First of all, always try to be open as a person and learn more every single day, and that's how you become a better person every single day. Apart from that, all I can say is never take your life too seriously, guys, because it's not going to take you anywhere, honestly. And that's how my video ends. You guys know everything else. You guys know the grind, you guys know the drill. As I always say, take care and peace out.